double quotes, Hyderabad, and so on. Whatever the characters available in the string now, the characters in string are organized based on index value. And strings in Java are not arrays. Who are feeling that strings are arrays? For them, the statement, strings in Java are not arrays. We use the following predefined classes to generate string objects. One is java.lang.string class. One is java.lang.string buffer. One is java.lang.string builder. So the objects which are generated from java.lang.string class are immutable objects. Immutable objects means the objects once created cannot be modified, are known as immutable objects. These immutable objects, you can call it as secured objects, or you can call it as constant objects. So the string class is holding how many constructors now? 15 constructors. There are two syntaxes available to create string objects. So yesterday we took one small program demonstrating how object behavior available to you. So introduction, I done it. Right. Right, look here. So this is the nature of a string anyway. Today I want to bring iterative statements. If I bring iterative statements only, I can do more operations on the string, right? For that, today's siding is nothing but iterative statements. Make a siding. The statements which are used to execute some selected lines of program repeatedly. The statements which are used to execute some selected lines of program repeatedly are known as iterative statements. Iterative statements. The statements which are used to execute some selected lines of program repeatedly are known as iterative statements. The following are some important iterative statements from Java. A. While loop, do while loop, and for loop. While loop, do while loop, and for loop. So while loop, just we are recollecting, everybody knows. Just I am writing recollecting statements I am writing and I am using. Immediately I am using. That's a plan, right? Okay. in while looping structure, the condition is checked first. In while looping structure, the condition is checked first. And then the loop body is executed. In while looping structure, the condition is checked first. And then the loop body is executed. The loop body is executed, comma. This process is repeated until the condition is false. In while looping structure, the condition is checked first, and then the loop body is executed. This process is, this means what now? Checking the condition, executing the loop body, the process. Checking, executing, checking, executing. This process is repeated until the condition is false. This is the nature of while loop anyway. So syntax, while some condition will be there, followed by loop body. While condition followed by loop body, some loop body. We draw the flow chart also. Flow chart means how the flow is available to you. Right. See there. Here one condition, will be there. When the condition is true, the loop body is executed. The loop body is executed. Condition, loop body. Whenever it is true, the control will come. Whenever it is true, the control will come. So check the condition. If it is true, loop body executed. After loop body execution, again the control will go to condition. It is repeated until the condition is false. Until the condition is false. Draw this. So quite opposite anyway. Quite opposite to while loop is do while loop. Quite opposite. Do while loop you had. In do while loop, the loop body is executed first, and then the condition is checked. In do while loop, the loop body is executed first, and then the condition is checked. This process is repeated until the condition is false. In do while loop, the loop body is executed first, and then the condition is checked. This process is repeated until the condition is false. The meaning, first loop body is executed, control will come to condition. When the condition true, it repeats. That's the meaning. Loop body, condition. Loop body, condition. It is repeated until the condition is false. The syntax is do. Loop body while some condition, here semicolon, do followed by loop body, then condition. Sir, why you written semicolon? Termination means that syntax has been terminated because body is above only, not below. The semicolon indicates the syntax terminated there. Below, body not available. That's the meaning of it. Because it has semicolon here. Flowchart. Flowchart. First loop body will come in the diagrammatic. First loop body will come. After loop body execution completed, the control will come to condition. The control will come to condition. Then, if it is true, it is repeated. Loop body executed, check the condition. If the condition is true, the loop body executed. This process repeated until the condition is false. Until the condition is false. All have understood this? Right. Okay. Now see there. In the real-time market, generally, the highest preference of usage gone for while loop. While loop will have highest preference. Why means, suppose here some underlines are available. Suppose 100 lines are available here. Some 100 lines are available. Our rule is, when the condition is true, you must execute that loop block. 100 lines must be executed. If the condition is false, we must not execute that loop body. That's the target. Okay, right. Now, condition is false. Imagine it. The condition is false. When the condition is false now, control will come to termination. Control will come to termination. Without entering into loop body, it will come out. Understood the statement? Then what is execution time here now? Sir, execution time will be 0. Roughly I'm writing. Execution time will be 0 seconds. Roughly I'm writing. Because condition is false, we came out. When the condition is false, you are coming out. You can say exit loop. You can say. Whenever it is a true only, you will enter. False means you will exit. So, while loop, other name you can call it as exit loop. If anybody asks, define exit loop means while loop. Other name for while loop is exit. The reason false means come out. You never enter if it is a false. That's the meaning. The same program I'll give for do while. Some 100 lines available here. Actually, condition is false, but it executed 100 lines after 100 seconds, roughly. After 100 seconds, the control will come to condition, but condition is false, you will stop. Unnecessarily, you wasted your execution time for the false condition or not now? Yes or no? Whenever it is false, you are coming out now. Unnecessarily, you executed the block once, then the condition is false. So for the false also, you entered. So it is a entry loop. What is the other name now? Entry loop. Because false also will enter. This is called entry loop. But here performance degraded. Unnecessarily, execution time has been wasted for the false condition. All have understood this statement. In real time, do while loop is less used when compared to while loop. As a developer, we go with while loop. Because do while loop will waste execution time in executing the loop body for the false condition. Make a statement. Note. In real time, do while loop is less used when compared to, in real time, do while loop is less used when compared to while loop, because in do while loop, do while loop, the execution time is wasted in executing loop body for false condition. That's a statement. For the false condition. Right. Now comes your for loop. For loop is more simple in representation. For loop is more simple in representation when compared to while and do while loops. For loop is more simple in representation when compared to while and do while loops, because the initialization condition and increment or decrement declared in the same line. For loop is more simple in representation when compared to while and do while loops, because the initialization condition and increment or decrement declared in the same line. They are available in the same line. Initialization means starting point of your loop. Condition means ending point where you have to stop it. From starting point to ending point, whether it is a incremented way or decremented way. That is the meaning of these three statements. Now the syntax look like this. For initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. Here, loop body. Here, loop body. Now, among this, which one executed first now? Initialization starting value. Second, third, Which one? So many people will say initialization, condition, increment, decrement because they are in the same line. Yes or no? But it is wrong. Understood this point? Many people confusion there only. First, which one now? Initialization. Second, which one now? Condition. Third one is loop block. Remember. What is third one now? Loop block. What is fourth one now? Increment, decrement. So many you people will think they are in the same line, they'll come in the order, you will think it. But for loop confusion there only. Initialization first. What is the second one now? Condition. What is the third one now? Loop block. What is the fourth one now? Increment, decrement. Now same thing I'll draw. Remember it. Understood? Right. Okay. Flow chart. An increment I thought it, sir. My degree also completed, sir. Right. Look at. Now flow chart I'll draw like this. Why they're running cameras, I don't know. They can see their faces in the mirrors now already. Why to look into mirror again? Right. I am only not earning, no. Right. Look here. Leave it. Now look here. Now, here I'm drawing like this. Three parts. Control will come here now. That is initialization. Initialization is one. Step one. Step one. After initialization is starting value. Where we are starting, that's called starting value, initialization. After initialization, control will go to condition. Control will go to condition. Condition is 2. After condition, if the condition is true, then the control will come to loop body. If that condition is true, the control will come to loop body. If it is true, the control will come to loop body. This is 3. All of it clear? Right. After loop body execution completed, then the control will go to increment or decrement. This block is increment, decrement. Increment may be, decrement may be. All of understood this? Right. Okay. After increment, decrement completed, now the control will go to 2 options are there. The control will go to initialization or condition. Control will go to condition. Initialization means only once. Only once. So from here, control will come to condition. Everybody clear? Right. Here 4 I am writing. If any doubt comes, look into this flow chart. Flow chart. Flow means where it starts, where it ends. Initialization, condition, loop block, increment, decrement, again condition. If the condition is true, repeat it. Now, until the condition is false. Until the condition is false. Not false. Stop. All of you understood for loop? Right. Whenever the doubt comes, you have to look into this diagram. So can I start coding now? Right. I'll use this for loop into our practical now. Yesterday, string object flower ready. I given one assignment to you. How many of you done that assignment? Very good. How you done? Sir, if character equal to A, that only, right? R equal to E, else it is what now? Consonant, isn't it now? If not, how special character came? Anybody got special character? Sir, only consonants, vowels came, sir. Right, okay. Right. Okay, I'll give the solution. Right. Anyway, now look here. Today, I'll start with one program. Example program. Write a program to read a string. Write a program to read a string and display in reverse. Write a program to read a string and display in reverse. Display in reverse. Write a program to read a string and display in reverse. All of understood this statement? Right. Okay. See there. I am writing the program now. Let us take this example only. Program. Let us take it. Right. I am taking string application to string application to I am taking anyway one package class demo string to Two lines are common anyway. Import java.util. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in at the last close. Here system.out.println, enter the string. String str is equal to s dot next line. Str dot length. So this is common like yesterday. So imagine this string now. Okay, right. Now, first I'll display the string in forward direction. I'll display the string in forward direction based on index value. I'll display the string in forward direction. Means what? program based on index I'll display. Got it right? See there? I want to display system.out.println display in forward. Display in forward based on index. I want to use index. I want to use index. Whenever I want to display based on index, I have to start with 0 no here. Yes or no? Na? So index value starts from where now? 0. Ends by what now? 6. 6 means what now? Length minus 1. Understood now? I must start with 0. I must end with length minus 1. Initialization 0. Condition end by length minus 1. You got initialization, you got condition. Okay, right. Initialization 0. Condition means ending value 6. Now initialization is less than the ending value, greater than the ending value, less than the ending value. Less than means it is less than the ending value. Whenever the initialization is less than the ending value, you must increment it or decrement it. Increment. Based on the starting value and condition only, increment decrement will be decided.
Recording
our
in
analysis
progress.
diagram. This is 6 or not now. So here 0 less than or equal to 6. True or false? True. True means come to condition. Sorry, loop block. In the loop block, what is there now? str dot caret. The meaning caret is a predefined method of your string. That caret is a instance method you are accessing with the object name str dot char at. What is the I value taken here now? 0. So character at 0. What is character at 0 here now? P is there no? Now P will be loaded onto CH. When the P is loaded onto CH, display P. Now end of loop. Means what? The loop body completed or not now? Once completed, control will go to where now? I plus plus. I plus plus means I already 0 is there. Now what is the incremented value now? 1. Now again check the condition now. 1 less than or equal to 6. True, sir. Now char at 1. Understood? It is repeated or not now? So now for loop is helping you to retrieve the characters from starting index to ending index. All of it clear? Right. Okay. Now I want to display in reverse. No. Our target reverse or not now? System dot out dot print ln display in reverse. Display in reverse. Display in reverse. Whenever I want to display in reverse now, I must come back. I must come back. I must display from which index value to which index value now? 6 index value to 0 index value. What is the initial value now? 6. What is the ending value now? 0. 6 is the initial value. 0 is the ending value. Now starting value is greater or lesser? Greater. Greater means higher. And now it is decrement or increment? Understood? If you know starting value, ending value clearly, loops will be under our control. Moreover, in real time, I'm not speaking about examination. Right, yesterday, management said they conducted one drive no, yesterday. That is open for all, no? Yes or no? No? You know or don't know? No? Because advance are not completed, no? Because an announcement not came to you. Yesterday, one drive gone. Any passed out. Package is around 3.5 to 4 is there. Bond not there. 2 years commitment working. So like this, they conducted 60 people. Among that 60 people, at last, there are 7 people shortlisted. Today, I got a report just now coming. 7 days. Where is that huge strength is there? Where is 29? Where is 9? Where is 7? Where these all people are going, we don't know. Not reading. Here advantage is there, Naresh IT one, whether I'm not highlighting it. If you go out, you don't know where to go. First question mark. Taking one resume, where to go, you don't know. Here, they only will bring it. But you must be ready, no? Students will ask many questions. Sir, when companies will come, but you must be ready, no? Yesterday, company came. 22 positions needed. Immediate 22 needed. They came. 22 needed. Now in the open, only 6 people came. Then remaining positions needed from Naresh IT. They must pick no. Now 22 minus 6. Remaining 14 needed no. How much? 22 minus 6? 16 needed. Now they gone for 100% placement. They came to that. Open not recruited. They came to 100%. 100% batches are running no. Now they came to 100%. They want 16 positions. First opportunity given to you only. Open. Of course, you did not get an information. I also not posted the reason. Advanced Java not there, no? That mandatory Advanced Java. Advanced Java. Why I'm speaking means there strings are playing a role. System test. Strings are playing a role. When the string is there in the real-time market, for loop is there. Wherever the index is there, for loop is there. Difference getting or not now? Index not there means for loop not needed. So to print star, 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 that is for practicing only. That is not applicative. In real time, that applicative not there. That is for practicing the loop, understanding the loop, and practicing. But actually in applicative area, wherever the index value is there your for loop is available. In the process of analyzing the for loop, you must know starting initialization, ending condition. You must know starting is greater, smaller than the ending. Then you can decide increment and decrement. Now already you decided starting value 6, sir, ending value 0, sir. 6 is greater than 0, so you have to decrement it. Let me write it. See there. Same for loop. The syntax you bring it. Right. What is the starting value now? Int I is equal to 6. Sir, condition is you have to end with 0. Now 6 is greater than 0 no. So I greater than or equal to 0. You must not write 6. You must write what now? len minus 1 because the string will be changing no. Just we are imagining one string and constructing. After that you can read any string. It's a technique of writing a code. First you write on a paper one demo output. See that output and construct it. After that you read any string, it has to work it. Now here 6 to 0 I minus minus decrement. Now same process now, right? Here char ch is equal to str dot char at of I. Now system dot out dot print ch. All of understood this, right? Can I display now? Right, okay. Enter the string. First I'll work for program. Answer is coming or not now? Right. One program is there in your technical test. Without using built-in method, this program only. So whenever the built-in method not there means you must use for loop. For loop is there means index value. Just back to front you have to display it. All have understood the logic? Right. Here doubt will come. Sir, same variable you are using, no sir. Why error not coming? Here same no, I. They are local variables, no. So we say loop block will say. Loop block will say generally. So they are considered as in blocks. They are considered as in blocks. Whatever the variables declare inside the block, they are local variable. So this local variable different, this local variable different. Hope you understood the program, all of you. Right. That only. Of course, I took the title this one, but my intention to introduce for loop with strings. Yesterday, I given a string concept. Then I need a for loop. I stopped it. Today, I took this for loop and I applied or not now. Whenever I want while loop, I'll bring it. I don't want while loop here. I'm not bringing. Whenever I want it, I'll bring it. So I want for loop for the strings. Any array chapter coming, for loop needed. So I brought for loop. Now here, demo string 2.java output. You can write any Java language programming will be printed reversely. Printing reversely or not? No, totally. You can give any length string, it will be displayed. Right. Anyway, based on one index value, we are going to retrieve the data. Okay, right. Take one assignment. Above assignment, I'll write. Wait it. What is palindrome string? What is palindrome? The given string, the reverse of given string, both are same. Then you can call it as a palindrome. Anyway, you know how to print reverse, no? So check the given string is palindrome or not without using built-in methods. You must use only for loop, index value. That also technical question paper only, right? You have to display it. Make it, write a program to read a string and check the string is palindrome string or not. Palindrome string or not. Write a program to read a string and check the string is palindrome string or not. The reverse of string is equal to the given string is known as palindrome string. I am writing that also here for reading purpose. The reverse of string is equal to the given string is known as palindrome string. The reverse of string is equal to the given string is known as palindrome string. Can you try this? Right. Trying means coming or not coming secondary, something you have to try it. Okay, right. Now look here. Now, some logics will be depending upon ASCII values. Some logics will be depending upon whom now? ASCII values. Make it. Define FAQ. ASCII. Define ASCII codes. Define ASCII codes. Define ASCII code. Say it. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. All will say abbreviation only. They will not say definition. Yes or no? No? Understood is fine. Define ASCII code. Question is there. But all will say abbreviation and they'll stop it. But what is ASCII code, sir? I also don't know, sir. ASCII code means I'll write abbreviation. I will say abbreviation only, right? Okay. See there. This keyboard is there, no? Everybody knows keyboard. Whatever the character we press here, already I said to you, if I press A will not go. Because this wire is not English medium, no? To understand alphabets, no LKG, no UKG. This will not understand A. But this A is going, no, sir. How, sir? A is there, no, sir. Something is happening in the background. If I press A, related to A, one numeric number will be generated. Unique numeric number will be generated. Unique means every character will have its own number. one unique number will be generated. That number converted into binary 0 and 1, that will go. Understood now? Now again that reconverted into character. That only. I information interchange. The information is traveling. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. What is ASCII code means? The unique numeric number which is generated for every key which is entered from the keyboard. For every character, not key, for every character entered from the keyboard will have its own code. That one you are calling it as ASCII code. Make it. I'll write the abbreviation. I'll write the definition. In the interview, if they ask abbreviation, say abbreviation. If they say define ASCII code, don't say abbreviation. You say definition. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And which is unique code generated for every character entered from the keyboard. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and which is unique code generated for every character entered from the keyboard. We cannot remember all ASCII codes here. Not possible. We cannot remember all ASCII codes here. But some ASCII codes you have to remember. Okay, right. Now, ASCII codes for uppercase letters, ASCII codes for lowercase letters, ASCII codes for numbers. These 3 points you have to remember it. So, ASCII ASCII codes for uppercase letters. They are from where now? 65 to 90. 65 to 90, that uppercase letters will have an ASCII codes. Now, see there. I'll take one project demo ASCII ASCII some application. Sorry. Right. Now look here. I am taking one package M access. Under M access, I'm taking one class demo Ascii. And now system dot out dot println upper case letters. I am running one for loop. You understood the for loop now? I am using directly. Okay, right. I'll start with int I is equal to 65, I less than or equal to 90, I plus plus. Now system dot out dot println. I am printing some I here. Sir, 65 to 90 is printed. But I want character now, sir. Now you have to convert that ASCII into character. You have to convert that ASCII value into character. Whenever you want to convert ASCII value, see there. Char CH is equal to I. I am converting. I am converting or not now? I am converting I value into character. This one we call it as typecasting. So typecasting, ASCII. ASCII means int to char. I am converting ASCII to char or not now? I am converting. If I convert ASCII to char here, the answer will come. I must print CH now. After converting into character, I am printing CH. Alphabets are coming or not now? So 65 to 90 means whatever you press here, A, I reversely printed. So A means 65 will come. But I took 65 and converted into A and I am showing to you. So every character will have its own ASCII value. The same way, ASCII codes, make it for lowercase letters. For lowercase letters from 97 to 122. Let me cross check this ending. 97 to 122. Right, see there. Now, I am taking the same loop here. I'll copy here. Lowercase letters starts from where now? 97 to 122 I am writing and running. Lowercase letters. If I write /n, they'll come to new line. Coming or not now? So can you remember 65 to 90, 97 to 122. Now ASCII value to number should come 0, 1, 2, 3. Number should come. Right. ASCII codes of numbers. ASCII codes of numbers. Numbers from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. 47 to 58. sorry, 48 to 57. So printing 0 to 9, ASCII codes of 0 to 9 is 48 to 57. Right. Take this and display numbers 0 to 9. Here how much now? 48 to 57. Getting or not now? Right. All of you can remember? Right. Now, yesterday's assignment will come now. Yesterday's assignment is there no character is vowel or not. It will be easy now. Generally. Example. Demo ASCII dot Java output. All of you understood ASCII codes? Yes or no? Right. Okay. Now yesterday's assignment is there no? Yesterday's assignment. Write a program to retrieve character based on index value and check the character is vowel or consonant or other. Now this is, now look here. I am taking one program here. String application 3, some solution. Package maccess class demo string 3. First codes will be same. This part will be same. Now look here. Now enter some string anyway. You must run the for loop now. Not for loop. You have to ask the index value or not now, right? So system dot out dot println, enter the index. Enter the index to retrieve char. Int sum index is equal to s dot next int. Index value starts with 0, no? Yes or no? Right. So condition, whatever the index is given, the index must be greater than or equal to 0. And the index must be less than LEN. Yes or no? Na? Less than LEN or less than or equal to LEN minus 1. Correct only, no? Yes or no? Na? Right. Else, you must say invalid index first. Invalid index. Because you entered index wrongly. Maybe negative value, maybe greater than size. Suppose you entered index value correctly, bring that character. CH is equal to str dot char at of index. Clear? Right. Now I must check it whether this character is alphabet or not first. Whenever I want to check this alphabet or not, other than alphabet special characters only, no? Right. Whenever I want to check that character is alphabet or not, sir, convert into integer, sir. Convert into integer. Means what? Sir, here typecasting, you are converting char to ASCII. You are converting into int. Okay, right. After converting into int now, you can write the condition here. What is the condition now? K greater than or equal to 65 and K less than or equal to 90. This is uppercase letter, no? Sir, this is uppercase letter. And, sorry, R. Anyone, no? R. K greater than or equal to 97 and K less than or equal to 122. Then it is taken as an alphabet. End of if. Else, it comes under others, no? It comes under other or not now, right? So, system dot out dot print ln, you say display ch and say that system dot out dot print ln. You can say what now? Others. You can say index is less than, I written here reverse, less than or equal to. Now whether it is working or not, let me cross check. Enter the syntax now. Java percentage 99. Enter the index to retrieve character. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 4 or not now? Just 4. Other no. So it's working or not now, right? Remaining, let me cross check. Remaining alphabet among the vowel and consonant is there, no? Vowel and consonant. Sir, I know the logic, sir, yesterday. Yes or no, na? But I'll write switch off CH. I will write. Sir, why CH, sir, here? Because it is alphabet only, no? CH means I am comparing character. End of switch. Sir, why are taking switch now? Case A, I can take it, no? Yes or no, na? Case A, case capital A. You may enter lowercase letters or uppercase letters. I am comparing both. Right? Then I'll display what now? Sir, break. I will display system dot out dot print ln char. Here I'll display ch and I'll display what now? Vowel. System dot out dot print ln. It is vowel. It comes under vowel or not now, right? Now these two lines are repeated for all. Case A, E may be lower case, may be uppercase. A, E, I. Time is very less. I'm going a bit fast. Tomorrow I'll explain it again. I'm giving solution. Tomorrow I'll explain line by line. You also try and come. Based on this, however many strings came means complexity increases. Break. A, E, I, O, U. Now, what is default? Default means what now? If it is not vowel, it is consonant, no, right? Default, it is consonant. Can I run it? Enter the string now. Java. I'll take 0, 1, index 1. Character A, vowel, no. Understood this, right? I will rerun this again. Java. Index 0. What is index 0 now? J. Consonant, no. Right. It is working or not now? Sir, yesterday Ascii value not there, no, sir. Right. Yesterday your logic is correct only. You will come up to vowel and consonant. Others will not come. So, in your interview questions also, if you do based on Ascii value, maximum solutions will come. I'm going to reveal that point also. So I typed a bit fastly. Tomorrow I'll explain line by line. Okay, right? You type all the codes and come today. Tomorrow I'll give more assignments on strings. Right. Take a break. Thank you very much for today.